Okay, welcome to another class of layout design, and in this session we're going to continue from where we stopped from our layout design, the part B of it. Then we talk about how to design layout, and we did this design and we want to continue. Then now in this session we want to look at hash, how to want to look at how to detail your layout, how to detail your layout plan. Yeah, how to detail your layout. How to detail your layout plan. Then this includes your parameter, your bearing and distance, how to put bearing and distance, then how to hash, and that is what we're going to learn in this session. How do you put bearing and distance on your layout plan? Then now let's start. First, let's start. Then from your tools menu here, your menu bar here, you have your distance, your area, and your region icons here. Then we're going to use your distance tools menu bar, the tools here to insert bearing and distance. Then first, we want to put the bearing and distance of this line. The bearing and distance of this line. Let's click distance. Select distance. Then when you click on distance, then come here at the point. Look at this point. Click. Then move to this end, the second edge of the number. Is a plot of land. The edge of this plot. You click. And look at what it's going to show you. It said distance is 25.6. Then distance is 25.6. Then look at what I'll copy this 25.6. That is the distance. Then this is 25.6. Then look at, I will paste. After copying, then I will paste. Then let me change this into layers. Then now, then these are after you copy and paste, you edit. After copy and paste, you edit. Look at what I'm doing. You edit. That is what is needed. That is what is needed. Look at, you copy this. It's asking you, then you say no, you don't want. Then you copy. Look at what you copy and paste. Then this is what you're going to do. Most times you can write it. You can just copy and write it. Then and now look at what I'm doing. I will press hash here, this degree here, and click. You can see decimal, plus, minus, everything. I will click this the degree. Then you have seen that the degree has already appeared. Then I will set it to center. Look at the center of everything. Okay. Then I will reduce this. Now click OK. Then you can see. Then I will align it to this. Move it. Press M if you want to move. Either you click this one to move this cross, or you press M and press enter. Then you rotate. Then you press enter, click rotate, and you click enter, then select and move. Then now you have seen that you have already done the bearing and distance of this plot of land. Then the same thing. Now this bearing, now to make your work neat, you don't need to put bearing and distance all through. This bearing and distance covers this line because it's a straight line. Then this straight line and this bearing and distance covers it up. What you have to be putting again is your distance. Then this is your distance. You find that the distance will be different. I will tell you why. Can someone tell us why? That the distance will be different. Now you have 28 points. You have your have 28.1. You find that the same distance that you are getting, if you check it, you are still getting the same distance. I have to tell you that you don't need to start writing the same bearing. That's what you are getting. You don't need to start writing the bearing again. Copy the distance and be putting back. Copy, edit, copy and paste, then you edit. Copy and paste, then you edit. And once you edit, then you align it to the inside. And another thing you're going to see that someone is asking, why is the distance inside the plot? Yes, the bearing is always outside in the survey plan, while the bearing is outside. Then the distance is always inside, then the bearing is always outside. But it shows that the bearing is showing you where you move. And now, this is how you're going to detail all your plot. And now, let's complete one set of building. Then this place, from here, you click either to put bearing and distance on your plot of land on Autocad. Then you find that this is your bearing and distance. You copy and you paste. Then you copy and you paste. Then you copy and you paste. You can see that this one, where will you face your bearing and distance? The bearing will be up while the distance will be down, based on how the survey plan is facing. That's this thing. Based on how your survey plan is facing the true north. That's what you are going to know. Based on how your survey plan is being placed. Then you click OK. Then this is just a little on how to detail your plan. And now, this is a plot, or this is a plot of land out of all this. And that's why we're taking time to complete this. Like this, now you do it round and the whole areas. As you have done, put this bearing here, you don't need to put it here. You only have one bearing on the line. Then so your work will be neat. Then another thing that is all on detailing, on inserting bearing and distance on your bearing and distance on your layout plan. Another thing that we're going to look at is hash. So someone is asking us, sir, can I hash my roundabout? Yes, you can hash your roundabout. Look at what I'm going to do. To hash your roundabout, you're going to go to your tools menu and click hash. Then, and the dialog box of hash will appear. Then you click on this pattern and click on this pattern right? You will not select your the mode of your hash of your choice. If you have building, you have cross, you have different type, then I'm going to select Earth on this roundabout. Then now you can put your scale to 0.5 if it's a small place, 0.07. Then I'm going to leave it at this scale 1 so that I will know how it will be. If I cannot see, look at now, you find that this is your hash. Then outside around this circle, because I'm going to use another type of hash so that it will not be that okay it's a one pattern. Then I'm going to use sand. Then you're going to use sand. The more it depends on your look at I can't see anything. Thank God I can't see anything. Why? Because let's change it then to 0.5. You see it's still coming up. Then it's still very little. Then we have 0.05. You can see now you find the difference type. I put one is not showing. I put 0.5 is not showing. Then now I'm putting 0.05. Then now this makes your design look beautiful. This make your design look beautiful. Another thing that will make your design is coloring. Then I want to add color to this. I want to add color to this design, to this pattern. Then I will select of my choice. This is a sand. I'm going to use a another color that looks like sand. Then in this place, I'm going to use another color that will differentiate two of them. I seen it. Then now when you print this thing, someone will say, "Wow, this is a very good roundabout." It will look attractive in your design. It will look attractive. Then we're going to look at what it is. Then this is your roundabout and you are true, and this is how to put hash. Then there are places you can put hash. Then let's look at your utility. We have utilities of school, the school area. Then you press enter. There's this place now. First we say school. Let's table it. Let's table it to. We say school. Let's see HOOL. This school. Then now this is a school. Where this school size is very small. Let's put 10. Let's put 10. 10 and press enter. Then you cannot see that you have a school. Then now let's hash this school. Then that is school compound. Then you go to hash and you select another pattern of this. I'm going to use building because it's a building area. Then now look at what I'm going to do. Look at sorry. Sorry. Now you are seeing the error I'm getting here. It means that there's a place that is not closed. There's a place that is not closed, which is some place here. Look at it, it's not closed. You can see it very well that it's not closed. Now, once the place is not closed, then your work cannot close. You can't hash it. For it to hash, it must have a closed place. Then let's go back and let it need for okay. It's not working. Then now let's check what is happening. Let's check what is happening. This is what the problem you'll be having in hashing, but it will be giving you another place. This is the problem you'll be having in your hash work. Then look at then I want to make sure that I close everywhere. Then I'll go back again and select my pattern and click OK. Then it's still showing me outside this place. It's still showing me the place, which is very wrong. Very wrong. Then what am I going to do? You're going to click polyline for you to hash this area. This is a problem that you're going to have. Then, and that's what we have to create a problem. Then, when you want to hash and the place is not hashing, then you go to polyline and do 1, 2, 3. Polyline join everything together. Then 3, 4. Then back. This is 4. And now you're going to hash it again. And you find that your line, you can see it has already hashed that area. Then now look at it. You find that it's not closed. Then that means the 0.5 will be okay with it. Then now you're seeing you can manage this. Then let's add the 0.0 and 0.05. Okay, you can see that everything here is how your school is being done. Then the hash is 0.02 coming 0.2. Okay, this is 0.2. The hash of this 0.2. At this point now you have learned how to hash your survey plan. This is schooling the utility. Then after you have done this, you can remove this thing off. I see it. Then I've deleted it. You can't see the white line again on this line. That is how to hash your utility. The school here on this layout is a utility. Then this is an open space. Then this is how to hash, edit, or do anything. Then that is where we're going to stop today. And in the next class, if you have any question, we're going to learn more on layout design. This is all about layout design and how to hash. And feel free to send us an email, subscribe to our YouTube. I will be glad that you are learning every day. And this is how to edit and install bearing at distance. And this is how to hash your layout plan. I thank. Please subscribe to our YouTube Hero Easy Tech channel. It's our YouTube, and you are free to subscribe and to receive updates anytime, any day. Go to our blog and subscribe to our blog, and you will enjoy more in our blog. Thank you.